Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn some important aptitude problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first question is, the largest and smallest angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 to 1 respectively. The second largest angle of the triangle is equal to 44 degrees. What is the value of 150 degrees of the largest angle of the triangle? The meaning of the question is, they have given the ratio of a largest and smallest angles of the triangle, that is 3 to 1. They have also given one angle. Among three angles, they have given the value of one angle, that is 44 degrees. And now they are asking us to find out the 150 percentage of the largest angle among all the three angles of the triangle. Let's get started with the solution. This is the triangle ABC. The largest and the smallest angles are in the ratio of 3 to 1. One angle is 44 degrees, as we discussed. We all know that the sum of angles ABC is equal to 180 degrees. 180 minus 44 equal to 136 degrees. This 136 degrees is equal to 3 is to 1. And at the same time, 3 plus 1, that is 4 parts value is 136 degrees. 1 part value is 34. Now we have to find out the 3 parts value. What is the value of 3 parts? 3 into 34 equal to 102 degrees, and 1 part, the very smallest angle, is 34 degrees. We were asked to find out the 150 percentage of this largest angle, which is 102. 102 is the only largest angle. So 102 by 2 is 51 degrees. That means 100% plus 50% is equal to 150%. That means 102 plus 51 is equal to 153. Option D is the right answer. Moving to the second question. The total price of 8 shirts and 7 trousers is 4,760, and total price of 4 shirts and 4 trousers is 2,560. What is the total price of 7 trousers? Here we were asked to find out the value of 7 trousers. That means we can verify the 7 multiple among all these options. Whichever is 7 multiple, that is the right answer. And when coming to the normal method, the conventional method, we'll do like this. Here 8 shirts, 7 trousers. Here 4 shirts and 4 trousers. That means we have to multiply this 4 shirts and 4 trousers 2560 into 2. That becomes 2 4s are 8 shirts, 2 4s are 8 trousers. 2 into 2560 is equal to 5120. Next, what we have to do? We have to do the difference. What's the difference? 8 shirts, sorry, 8 shirts gets cancelled. 8 shirt minus 7 trousers, 8 trousers minus 7 trousers is 1 trouser. 5120 minus 4760 is equal to 360 rupees. We were asked to find out the value of 7 trousers. That means 360 into 7 is that equal to 2520. Option D is the right answer. I hope you understood these two problems. Let's move to the third one, the last one. The average age of a class of 65 boys was 14 years. The average age of 20 of them was 14 years, and that of another 15 was 12 years. Find the average age of the remaining boys. That means 65 into 14 minus 20 into 14 minus 15 into 12 by 30 divided by 30. Why the denominator is 30? Because 65 boys is the total boys. Out of them, if 20 is removed, it becomes 45. Again, if 15 is removed from 45, that becomes 30. That's why it is denominator is 30. We have to find out the average of these 30 boys. 65 into 14 equal to 910, 20 into 14 equal to 280, 15 into 12 equal to 180 by 30. 0 cancel in the numerator and denominator places. Finally, we get 91 minus 44 equal to 3. 91 minus 44 by 3 equal to 45 by 3, and 15 years. The average of those 13 remaining 30 boys is 15 years. I hope you understood all the problems. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.